After personally encountering the frustrating Cyberpunk 2077 intro video loop and spending countless hours testing various solutions, I finally discovered multiple effective methods to resolve this annoying problem, and I'm excited to share them with you right now. Many players struggle to fix Cyberpunk 2077 intro video loop issues, which often prevent them from even starting their game. Our first approach tackles problems with custom modifications. Think of it this way: when you add new parts to a complex machine, sometimes those parts don't fit perfectly or they get damaged over time. A custom mod can become corrupted or simply clash with recent game updates, causing the intro video to get stuck in a never-ending cycle. By carefully reinstalling and properly configuring these mods, we ensure a clean, compatible version is running, allowing the game to load smoothly without interruption. Next, we look at the game's core files. Imagine a book where a few pages are torn out or scrambled. The story just won't make sense. Similarly, Cyberpunk 2077's game files can become damaged during installation, updates, or even from system errors. When crucial files related to the intro video are missing or broken, the game cannot proceed past that initial sequence. Verifying the game's integrity scans for these damaged parts and automatically replaces them, making sure all the necessary pieces are in place for a flawless launch. Our third method focuses on your computer's graphics drivers. Your graphics card is like the artist painting the game world on your screen. If the artist's tools are old or buggy, they might struggle with complex scenes, especially dynamic intro videos. Outdated drivers can lead to compatibility issues, causing the game to freeze or loop during the opening cinematic. Updating these drivers ensures your graphics card has the latest instructions and optimizations, allowing it to render the intro video without any glitches or slowdowns. Finally, we address system permissions and conflicting software. Sometimes, your game needs special permission to fully operate, or other programs running in the background might be trying to interact with it in unexpected ways. If the game doesn't have the necessary access to system resources, or if an overlay from another application interferes, it can prevent the intro video from playing correctly. By granting proper administrative access and temporarily disabling competing software, we clear any obstacles, letting Cyberpunk 2077 start without any digital hiccups.